just want to look like I got sneezed on by Midas. Hey there, I'm Olivia. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be continuing my Disney villain-inspired makeup looks, and today we're going to be tackling Jafar. So, it seemed like pretty good timing. Tonight we're actually going to see the new live-action Aladdin, so it only seemed appropriate that it's his turn today. So let's get started. Okay, so do I have everything I need? I have shoulder pads, check. Snake jewelry, check. A variety of gold, black, and red makeup. Check, check, check. Okay, let's do this. So to get things started, I think I'm actually gonna grab a single shadow that I have here from MAC. It's in this shade, I think it's either Haux or Haux, I don't know, it's Haux. So it's just a matte, kind of mauve-y, mid-tone, purplish kind of shade. I was looking at a picture of Jafar, and it kind of looks like this is the color that he's rocking all over his lid. Of course, we'll just be taking inspiration today, because I want to get a little fancier than that. I mean, his eyeliner game is strong, so we'll definitely be pulling from that. But just to get things started, I'm going to build this shade up in my crease a little bit. I already have my eyelids primed just with the concealer that I was using today. I finally tried out that e.l.f. Camo Concealer, so we just have that to set things down. Okay, cool. So that just gives us kind of a nice space to start from. And then what I want to do is start building up a red all over my lid. So I was looking at a couple different red options that I have. So I have this matte red that's in my Yes Please palette, and I think what I want to do is build that up all over the lid. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush here. Okay, so I have kind of a red mauve mix happening here, which I'm liking. And now what I want to do is kind of a spotlight halo eye. Not anything super intense though. What I actually want to do it with is this kind of shimmery red that I have in a Japonesque palette. And so what I'm going to do is just grab some concealer, and then we'll add some of that shimmery red on top. So it's just kind of a subtle something happening there. I'm just gonna grab my makeup post-it here, and then I just want to make sure that the edges are reasonably blended. And then I want to get into some gold here. So one of my J.Cat Prismetal Eye Chrome mousses. This one is in the shade Tricky Jester. It's this really pretty, like, bright yellow gold, and I know I want to use it. I'm not 100% sure how. I'm just gonna get some on my finger here. I feel like that's how it applies best. And I think you know what? I want to put this in my inner corner. And then maybe just in this first kind of third under my lid. I don't know, we're just playing here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take whatever's left on this brush here and just kind of drag it slightly down to kind of blend it. Okay, cool. I like how that looks. And then I'm going to put the cap on so that I don't get glitter everywhere. And then I think what I want to do next is play with this gold liner a little bit. I think I want to take this across my lash line here. Oh, you know what I should have done is put a black liner down first and then this on top. That would have looked cool. Okay, so next I want to do some black liner. And so this is my Stila Stay All Day liner. I definitely want to do, you know, a nice strong wing. Oh my gosh. I think I got the angle on my eyeliner roughly the same on both sides. Yes! Love it when that happens. So I'm mostly covering that gold liner that I just put down, but I had forgotten that I wanted to do black liner first, so you live and learn. I do like the idea of that gold liner going on top of the black though. So now I'm gonna take that gold liner again, Just run it along the base of where I put down that black liner. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna grab that red from my Guess Please palette again and just get it on a little pencil brush here and just smudge that, mostly the outer 2/3, I'd say. And then I'm not gonna bother to clean off my brush because I don't want to, but for the inner third, I'm gonna grab this nice shimmery gold that's in the Yes Please palette. You know what, I think I'll actually take that gold all the way across, and then I'll just go back and kind of re-intensify that red where it got diluted a little bit. Okay, and then I want to do some liner on the waterline. So I have this tiny little baby Pixie silky eye pencil, and I like this one for the lower lash line because I feel like it lasts pretty well and it's super creamy. Put that on the waterline. And then I do want to smudge it right next to the lash line. And I'm just going to smudge that with my pencil brush again. And then to finish things off, I'm just going to grab some mascara. So I'm still working on my Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I honestly thought I was going to be done with this one already. Like, I'm surprised that it's still going as strong as it is. Didn't even get mascara on my nose. Boom. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, so I am very happy with that eye look. I think it's super fun. I love the red and the gold and the, you know, mildly excessive eyeliner. I think that's super fun. I think the only thing that I want to do to finish it off is just add a little bit more gold highlight. I have this Makeup Revolution one. It's the Triple Baked Highlighter in Golden Goddess, and I just, you know, want to zhuzh it up a bit. Where's my highlight brush? I just want to look like I got sneezed on by Midas. Is that too much to ask? I'm just going to do a pop of setting spray to set things. And then the only thing that I have left now, oh man, I really like that eye look. I'm super happy with how that turned out. So the only thing that I have left now is lips, and I'm just going to do a neutral lip for this one. So I have this Ulta one in 240. It's kind of a sort of brownish nude, definitely neutral. It's not super warm, or I guess maybe more on the cooler side. Okay, there we go. So that is the finished look. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I love the eyes. I think it's super fun and a very just like kind of cool, you know, sort of smoky with the red, but it's not like a smoky eye. Like, I really like it. I think it's super fun. I love the highlight. I love the lips. Like, honestly, I love everything about this look. Like, I can totally see myself doing this again just because I like it. So I'm super happy with how this looks. I am so excited for the movie tonight. If you didn't know, I'm a massive Disney fan, and I've really been loving all of these remakes that they've been doing. Not that I think they're better necessarily than the originals. I mean, I still love the original cartoons, but it's kind of fun just to be able to revisit it and see how it looks with, you know, live action. And so I'm really excited for tonight. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun too. And I hope I see you again soon. Bye.